It would be absolutely remiss of the Maverick and sports commentary not to join in the congratulations for the World Cup bound national under-17 Reggae Boyz, who emphatically handled their business to become the third Jamaican under-17 team to qualify for the World Cup. The quality of the Jamaican team, though, plus the cohesion, the purpose, and the passion of the players. In 3 games, they scored all of 18 goals and conceded 1, which was a penalty. We really and truly hope and pray for the best for this crop of players. And with the innate quality shown throughout this tournament, the football authorities in Jamaica must try to ensure that a high percentage of this group matriculate through the national levels and at some point graduate to become senior Reggae Boyz and senior professionals. As once again, we say salute and big up to the youth them.